Something smells good on video.
Oh, hi.
He's very friendly.
You're just in time. It's so good to see you. Come on in.
He's very talented.
I sure do love to cha-cha-cha.
He's Bear in the Big Blue House.
When you make yourself a friend.
Join Bear and his friends Pip and Pop, Ojo, Tutter, Trilo, and Luna.
I'm the moon.
And make learning a treat. From Jim Henson Television, Bear in the Big Blue House. He's what's fun on video.
Hop on board for reading fun with Thomas and Friends. From early
One of the
readers
most
to classic
beloved
stories,
stories of
kids are
our
always on
time
the
is
right
an
track to
animated
reading and
film
learning
classic
with Thomas books
cherished
for
by
every
young
age.
and old.
Look for these and other best-selling titles wherever books are sold, and
E.B.
take off on a fun-filled
Charlotte's
reading
Web.
adventure with Thomas.
Animated by Nickelodeon Studios and featuring 4 new songs. This tale continues and is more dazzling than ever. All the heart, wisdom, and enchantment of the original Charlotte's Web return in Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure. A must-have in every child's video library. A new classic is being spun exclusively on DVD and video. Available now.
I like coming out here. By the invitation of Sir Topham Hatt, of course.
Nick Jr.'s home videos and DVDs. Summer release is coming this year from Nick Jr. and Paramount Home Entertainment.
He's our number one hero. Hello! But he's running a little late today.
I'm not making this up, and no numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine. I'm counting.
Devious deeds and brutal strength. The blast from the past. Who hates steam engines?
Now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Every now and then, there appears a sign.
And by the way, I think that you're going to help me and Thomas somewhere in this story.
If Diesel has unfinished business, there's sure to be trouble.